Welcome to the all-new Dr Agarwals Training Centre, a premier hub for advanced learning and hands-on clinical training in ophthalmology and optometry. Designed to nurture the next generation of eye care professionals, our center features state-of-the-art wet lab surgical technology, simulation-based learning, and guided instruction from expert surgeons. Trainees gain real-world experience in refractive procedures such as PRK, microkeratome LASIK, femtosecond-assisted LASIK, and flapless surgeries like SMILE, along with comprehensive simulation training for cataract surgery and phacoemulsification. The Optometry Fellowship offers immersive clinical exposure, skill-based learning, and case discussions that bridge theory with practice. Under structured mentorship, participants refine essential diagnostic, surgical, and patient care skills while building confidence for independent practice. Through interactive workshops and continuing education sessions, this program empowers both fresh graduates and experienced optometrists to grow, evolve, and excel in today's fast-changing eye care landscape. Experience innovation, mentorship, and excellence only at Dr. Agarwals Training Centre.